Have you ever dreamed of a mysterious power that can instantly transform your life, making wealth and dreams come true? In fact, it truly exists and is right beside us, the law of vibration. This is not some unattainable metaphysics but a life magic that can truly reshape our destiny. Now, let's uncover the prelude to this extraordinary journey. The world is like a vast energy field, and everything is constantly vibrating in this ocean of energy. From rapidly operating machines to seemingly stationary tables and chairs, every object has its unique vibrational frequency. You may find it hard to believe, but just like everyone has a unique fingerprint, this is a basic law of the universe. Our thoughts and emotions are also signal sources of vibration. When you joyfully envision the future, it's a high-frequency positive vibration. When you're anxious and worried, you emit low-frequency negative signals. These vibrations don't disappear silently. They are like invisible tentacles that reach into every corner of life, attracting people and things that match them. For example, if you continuously immerse yourself in the low-frequency thought of, "I'm short of money," you may constantly encounter financial troubles. On the contrary, if you can adjust to the high-frequency state of "I can create wealth," opportunities may come to you on their own. Human beings are a wonderful combination of unity and diversity. From a genetic perspective, we all share basic genetic codes, but each person has vastly different appearances, personalities, and abilities due to unique gene combinations. However, more magic than physical genes is our spiritual DNA. It's like a treasure trove containing endless wisdom and power, inherently perfect and in no need of polishing. In real life, we often overlook this treasure, being trapped by daily trivia and negative thinking, resulting in a decrease in our own energy frequency and gradually moving away from the powerful force endowed by our spiritual DNA. In recent years, the resonance theory of consciousness has revealed a brand new worldview for us. Resonance, simply put, means that when different objects approach each other, they will gradually adjust their frequencies and eventually vibrate in sync. This phenomenon also exists at the level of human consciousness. When you have a telepathic connection with others or feel a strong sense of belonging in a certain group, it's likely that your consciousness is resonating. This resonance not only brings people closer but also profoundly affects our real-life experiences. In a positive and upward-spirited environment, the high-frequency vibrations of the people around you will infect you, making you full of vitality. Conversely, a negative and depressing atmosphere will lower your frequency and make you feel down. Therefore, choosing with whom and in what environment to resonate is crucial to our life state. The subconscious mind is a huge iceberg deep in our souls. Although the conscious mind that emerges above the surface only accounts for 5% of the brain's function, the subconscious mind controls the remaining 95%. It silently maintains various physiological activities of the body. Daily but important functions such as breathing and digestion cannot be carried out without the operation of the subconscious mind. Moreover, the subconscious mind has memory and can remember every event you've experienced and every word you've said. What's more amazing is that it can't distinguish between reality and imagination. As long as you repeatedly instill certain information into it, it will believe it and strive to help you achieve it. This is why positive self-suggestion can play a huge role, while negative thinking patterns may become obstacles. Paradigm is a key factor influencing the subconscious mind. It's like a set of programs pre-installed in our brains, controlling our habitual behaviors and ways of thinking. The choices you make without thinking every day and the life patterns you're used to are all influenced by the paradigm. If you're dissatisfied with the current situation and want to change your life, you must break the old paradigm and establish a new one. There are two ways to change the paradigm. One is emotional impact. It could be a sudden success that boosts your confidence or a setback that makes you reflect deeply, thus completely changing your original thinking and beliefs. The other method is repeated exposure to new ideas. Just as a baby shapes its thinking by continuously receiving information from the outside world, we can also repeatedly input new and positive ideas to gradually replace the old beliefs in the subconscious mind and achieve a paradigm shift. Many successful people may not be aware of it, but they have achieved extraordinary accomplishments precisely by changing their paradigms in this way. Setting clear goals is the first step to realizing your dreams. Without goals, you're like a ship losing its course in the vast ocean, never able to reach the other shore. After setting goals, you need to use affirmations and visualization techniques to deeply implant the goals into the subconscious mind. Affirmations are powerful self-motivation tools. For example, I deserve to have an abundant life, and I have the ability to achieve my dreams. Repeating these affirmations every day can enhance self-identity and increase the vibrational frequency. Visualization is to construct a clear picture of the achieved goals in your mind. The more vivid and specific, the better. For example, if you dream of buying a new house, imagine the appearance of the house, the interior decoration, and the scenes of yourself living in it, and feel the joy and satisfaction. By repeating this process, make the subconscious mind believe that all this is already a reality, attracting relevant opportunities and resources to help make your dreams come true. In this journey of rewriting destiny, we must always be vigilant against the traps of low-frequency vibrations. Negative people, depressing environments, and negative information will all consume your energy and lower your vibrational frequency. Once you notice, stay away in time to protect your high-frequency energy state. Communicate more with positive and optimistic people, participate in activities that can stimulate enthusiasm, and immerse yourself in a high-frequency vibration atmosphere to continuously boost your dreams. The law of vibration, consciousness resonance, the subconscious mind, and paradigm shift together form the code to rewrite destiny. As long as we master this code and apply it actively, we can break free from the constraints of the current situation and create a life full of love, joy, and abundance. Right now is the starting point of this extraordinary journey. Take the first brave step and embrace the future full of infinite possibilities.